every civilization eventually abandons its sacred material. Camel hide is 3 times denser than bovine leather at the fiber level.
The superior structure of the camel hide is the result of engineering refined by 40 million years of desert survival. Luxury manufacturers in Germany and the UAE are now lining car seats with camel leather precisely because it outlasts and outperforms.
Camel leather costs more to ignore than to adopt.
And then there is the bone.
Polished camel bone is pressed into dashboard inlays where carbon fiber once lived. This is not nostalgia, but civilization deciding what it values when it can afford anything. In the next 8 minutes, viewers will understand exactly 3 reasons this material shift is irreversible. The question is what this material shift reveals about the future of luxury itself. The answer is everything.
This is where it all begins, with raw camel hide sourced from working herds across the American Southwest.
These camels are not wild, but ranch-raised and humanely managed for over 40 years in Arizona. Only prime hides from mature animals are selected because the density peaks at 5 years of age. The harvesting process is precise because every cut preserves fiber integrity. Every part of the animal is utilized because the leg bones and ribs become dashboard inlays. From the ranch, the hides are transported to the processing facility within 48 hours. The first step is salt curing, which draws out moisture while preserving fiber density. Rehydration in clean water at exactly 25 degrees Celsius resoftens the hides.
Lime immersion loosens the hair and dissolves non-structural proteins.
The hair is removed mechanically, leaving the dense fiber matrix exposed.
Fleshing removes subcutaneous tissue, so the hide now reveals its true density. The bones undergo a 72-hour degreasing process, which is essential for permanent inlay integrity. Gentle bleaching achieves the ivory tone without compromising structural integrity. The bones are polished to a glass-like finish, so the grain becomes luminous.
The tanning process takes 48 hours, with chrome tanning for strength and vegetable tanning for heritage feel.
Vegetable tanning using mimosa chestnut and quebracho extracts gives the leather its warmth.
Chrome tanning provides superior heat resistance and flexibility, which is essential for car seats.
The splitter separates the dense top grain from the lower layers, so only the top 1.2 millimeters is used.
The matte black dye penetrates deep into the fiber structure, creating uniform, permanent color.
Fat liquoring replaces natural oils, so the leather becomes supremely supple.
Gradual air drying over 72 hours sets the leather's final grain. Staking breaks the fiber bonds mechanically, so the leather achieves its final drape. Tumbling with wood chips creates the subtle grain texture, which gives the leather its final character.
Each bone inlay is hand-carved, so the pattern speaks to the desert's geometry. The final polish reveals the bone's natural grain, so each piece is unique.
Every hide is individually measured and sorted, so only the finest proceed to the next stage. Computer-cut patterns ensure perfect fit, so every millimeter is accounted for. Each panel is assembled by hand because the human touch remains essential to the process.
The stitching tension is critical because if it's too loose, the leather shifts, and if it's too tight, it can tear.
Double stitching ensures durability, so Camel leather will outlast the car itself. Heating elements are integrated before the leather because Camel leather's density distributes heat perfectly. The leather is stretched taut over the foam because Camel's natural flexibility allows perfect conformity. The bone inlays are fitted with zero tolerance, so the craftsmanship is invisible.
Every interior surface receives the same attention, with bone inlays across doors and dashboard, creating uniform luxury. The final branding is applied with heat and pressure, creating a permanent, distinguished mark. Every surface is inspected because the matte black finish must be flawless. The final buff reveals the bone's true character, and it belongs in a cathedral of design.
The steering wheel receives the same attention because it is the driver's primary connection to the vehicle. The interior comes together with camel leather and bone inlay, unified in purpose. Every vehicle undergoes a 3-hour quality inspection because it must be perfect. The final detailing removes every trace of the making, so only the perfection remains. This is not a car, but a statement about what we choose to value. The desert gave us the material, and now we choose to honor it through design. The animals continue their ancient journey, and we are merely students of their design. The luxury is not about possession, but about understanding what deserves to last. And this is not nostalgia, but civilization choosing wisely. Camel leather responds and remembers and belongs in luxury vehicles.
The future of luxury has been here all along.
Welcome to Purely Industrial TV. The coolest place to see how your favorite things are made. We use high-tech tool to take you inside factory to see amazing machines in action. We do not just copy video from internet. Instead, we use a special human AI team to create everything you see. First, we do our homework to research how items like soap and food are made so the fact always right. Then we use amazing AI program to help us draw and build the factory scenes. Finally, a real person spent a lot of time editing the video and adding sound to make sure they are fun and exciting to watch. Every video is a one of the kind masterpiece made just for this channel. These videos are made entirely by us and not the other creators. While we use smart computer to help make the picture a real human, always the boss of the project. Everything here is meant to teach you cool fact about the world of manufacturing in a way that very easy to understand. Thank you guys.